The AI models we interact with every day are getting incredibly good. You can ask them a question like, "Why does a ball fall back to the ground when I throw it up?" and get a perfect explanation about gravity. It seems like they really understand the world. But a fascinating new paper asks a crucial question. Does the AI actually understand that gravity is the cause, or is it just expertly repeating information it learned from the internet? Is it true reasoning or just a clever illusion? Here's why this is important. For AI to become truly powerful and trustworthy, especially in fields like medicine or policymaking, it needs to understand why things happen. We need an AI that can not only tell us that a certain drug treats a disease but also reason about what might happen if a patient has a unique condition. This requires genuine, human-like causal reasoning, not just pattern matching. To investigate this, the researchers looked at how eyes think. They proposed that eyes are currently stuck at what they call Level 1 causal reasoning. This is like memorizing facts for a test, such as flipping a switch causes the light to turn on. They lack Level 2 reasoning, which is the ability to use that knowledge to figure out new situations, like, what would happen if the power was out and I flipped the switch? To test this, the researchers created a brand new set of causal questions that the eyes were very unlikely to have seen during their training. Let's explore what they found. When faced with these fresh and tricky questions, the performance of major AI models dropped significantly. This result supports the idea that the eyes were relying on memorized causal links from their training data, rather than truly reasoning from scratch. Their apparent understanding was more of a mirage than a reality. But the researchers didn't stop there. They also proposed a way to start fixing this problem. So, what does this mean in practice? The team drew inspiration from how humans think. We often use our general knowledge about the world and a specific goal to solve a problem. Based on this, they developed a method that gives the AI two things before it tries to answer a causal question: a piece of relevant general knowledge and a clear goal for its reasoning process. The results were dramatic. This simple assistant significantly improved the AI's ability to reason about cause and effect, especially in new and hypothetical scenarios. This work doesn't just poke a hole in what we thought AI could do. It shines a light on a new path forward, showing us how we can start teaching these models to think less like a database and more like a true reasoning partner. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI research made simple.